Hello everyone, this is Archie from the Information Lab, and today's quick Tableau tip, we're going to be talking about the Tableau interface and how we can navigate that. So once you're happy with your data structure, we're going to go into the first sheet. And right, the way that we're going to split this up, so if you look on the left hand side, this is called the data pane. Now this includes all of the information regarding the fields in your data set, and they are split up by measures and dimensions, which we'll cover in the next video. Okay, so next up we're going to be looking at the filter box and the page box, where you can drag dimensions and measures and filter out if you only want to look at a particular section of the data. We then also have the rows and columns, where you can drag the dimensions or the measures onto the necessary axis. Okay, so next up we're going to be looking at the marks card, which is just here. Now this gives you flexibility of the attributes within the chart, so for example the color or the size of each individual marks, and it also gives you the option of choosing what sort of labels are on the marks as well. On top of that, you can also choose the level of detail. So for example, if you drag the customer ID onto detail, then each mark would represent an individual customer. And then we have tooltip, which is basically when you hover over a sheet or a mark or something, it gives a little bit extra information and you get to choose what actually goes in there, which is very useful. Okay, so next we're looking at the view. So this is where all of your graphs and charts will turn up once you make them, and you can also format them by right-clicking on the just on the pane, and you can make sure it coincides with the theme of your dashboard. Okay, so next up we're going to be looking at the menu, which is just at the top. Oh, that's a pretty rubbish line, but yep, just at the top here, which should be familiar to any previous window users, and we'll dig into a little bit more of what each tab does in a later video.